Get her ass topless, put some meat on the plate like Tom got put some dick in her from the back, got her singing out. Listen, get a happy ass up and get steak and lobster. I swing to the left, I swing to the right, get money all day, full bitches all night. But they say they want smoke, get them high like a kite. Had a threesome with a pretty bitch and a fat dyke. I'm covered in ice like it's negative 30 degrees. No way, Jose, they ain't heard it.
That's not an ice tray, that's my teeth, and that's not a snow cone, that's my rain. That ain't Kool-Aid up in my cup, I stay sipping that purple oil. I stay flipping the slab on bowls, cause I'm a hustle till I'm in the soil. My wrist game is one of a kind, Petty Philippe worth 100K. My work schedule out on the block is mash all night and grind all day. No 401K for a hustler.
What's that?
Yeah, we're part of the media team.
Yeah.
Come on through here, man. Just watch your step through here, guys. Yeah.
Thank you.
Miss Sheila right there, Dante's right there.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's right there.
Hell yeah. This is dope. Richie. Yeah. Pulaski. Yeah.
But Cookville a lot. But it was strange.
I love Cookville.
Yeah.
I just did the Outlaw Nation show. That shit was fucking tits, bro. Absolutely bananas.
This is a dope ass venue.
No, these are he's Cameron.
You recording right now?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hell yeah. Whipping the CROSSTIES, baby. Let's get this shit started.
Hell yeah. Yeah, as soon as before we rolled up, I recorded on the way here.
Yeah.
Record the drive-in.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, I'm still recording. I ain't cut.
Oh, this is lit.
Hell yeah. Woo! Look at this, bro. Oh my God. Look at this, dude. This is the spot, man. Hey, this is the spot right here. Yeah. Look at this green room. Oh, bro. Look at this. This is crazy. Check. Check.